Hello guys, this is Olushola David and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can earn $100 USDT by sharing your referral link on Binance and also make your referral to make $100 USDT when they sign up using your referral link. So this way, both of you are going to make $100 USDT when they use your referral link to sign up and verify the account. All right. So if this is something you'd like to do, if you'd like to make $100 USDT on Binance by sharing your referral link, I want you to stick around, watch this video to the end. And if this is your first time visiting the channel, please don't forget to like the video. If you have any question about the video, drop them in the comment section. Then most especially subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. All right. So without any further ado, let's get started. All right. So like I said, I'm going to show you how to earn $100 USDT on your Binance account by sharing your referral link and also make your referral to make $100 USDT when they sign up with your link, then verify their account. All right. So the first thing you want to do now is to log into your Binance account. And if you don't have a Binance account yet, you can actually go to the description of the video, then create an account for yourself using the link at the description of the video and also earn the $100 USDT when you create and verify your account with the link at the description of the video. All right, so once you have your account, the next thing you want to do now is to log into your account. And once you've logged into your account, what you want to do is you want to come over to your profile area here, then click on this profile icon, then scroll down, then click on referral. So once you click on the referral, it's going to bring out the referral page. All right. So what you want to do now is you want to scroll over here, then click on this light referral. So the standard referral is the normal referral, but this light referral is going to help you earn $100 USDT when your referral create an account with your link, then verify the accounts and deposit up to $50 after verifying the account. All right, so what you want to do is you want to come over here, then click on light referral. All right, so as you can see here, it says refer friends, get $100 USDT trading fee credit each. That is, when your referral use your referral link, they are going to get $100 USDT, and you yourself, you are going to get $100 USDT. All right, so now the requirement is that your referral has to deposit more than $50 to get the $100 USDT. So when they create the account, verify the account, then deposit more than $50, they are going to get the $100 USDT, and you yourself, you're also going to get the $100 USDT. All right. So once you are ready to refer them, all you simply need to do is just come over here, then click on your referral link. So this is your referral link and this is your referral ID. Okay. So if they are creating an account through the mobile app, the referral ID is what the link, and if they want to register on a web browser, they can actually use your referral link. Okay, so whichever you want to do, you can actually copy your referral link here. So just click on copy, then send it to your referral. So when they click on your referral link, this is the page is going to bring them to. All right, so it says claim your $100 USDT cashback voucher. So the first thing they need to do is to create an account. All right, so the second thing they want to do is deposit more than $50 within 14 days after creating an account, and after that, then they receive the $100 USDT cashback voucher. That is, both of you are going to get the $100 USDT. All right, so all they simply need to do is just click on your link, create an account, verify the account, then deposit more than $50 USDT, and you are good to go. So this way, both of you are going to earn $100 USDT. So if you can send up to 10 people, that means you're going to be making $100 times 10, which is 1,000 USDT based on your referral link. All right. So this is basically how to go about it. All right. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right. And if you are yet to create an account with them, I have a link at the description of the video that is also going to give you the $100 USDT cashback voucher if you don't have an account with Binance already. All right, so thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.